our question is, should we hire a claim adjuster?
Yes. Yeah, that's what kills you on these kinds of claims is not only are you emotionally hurting, because it's almost like a death in the family emotionally. It's a big blow. The floods that the people are going through in Houston and what you're going through with the burned house, that's one of the most it's your home. And it tears a part of your heart out. And then every time you try to do a business transaction in the middle of this and you're doing inventory or you're negotiating with these claims adjusters or you're trying to get the contractor lined up, it's like you cry all the time, while you're doing it. If you're human, that's how it feels. You may not openly weep. I don't mean that, but I mean, it's just you're hurting. Your throat gets tight.
Yeah, we are.
And so you need that other person who's a little bit more objective and will get mean for you, if necessary, representing you.
Okay.
And really, really, really push on the claim and push it on through and get every ounce out of this that you can get out of it. That's moral and legal. We're not trying to take advantage of somebody or steal from the insurance company, but I want you to have you paid insurance all these years, and I want you to have a fully replaced contents and insurance and home to the extent the policy covers that without a dime, without them missing a lick. And so you just need somebody around you that knows the waters that you're swimming in with these sharks. They'll nitpick you $100,000 in a heartbeat. And a public claims adjuster, they're probably worth every dollar you're paying them in 99% of the cases. It's kind of like going through a divorce, okay? I need to hire an attorney. I don't want to go through a divorce. It's not, as a person of faith, that's not something I would ever, do. But if you're going to go through that, you want to be very, very, very strong, but not mean. You don't have to be nasty. It's not required to be nasty, but we're not going to back down. We are going to push you to the wall. You are going to do what your contract said you were going to do, and we are not going to be okay with anything else. And they have to have that kind of demeanor about them. And so you got to turn the dogs loose a little bit in that regard, but we're not asking them to cuss and scream at somebody on our behalf.
Right.
But I am asking them to pin them against the wall and remind them who's freaking in charge here, and we will pound your face if necessary in front of the judge. I mean, metaphorically speaking, you know what I'm saying. But I mean, it's an advantage to have someone that's emotionally detached, knows what they're doing, and is strong for you while you're going through something that's very, very difficult. And the nuances and the technicalities and the tactical moves of properly filing a claim that's this extensive, it's worth it.
Well, the stock is bubbling in the pot. Just wait till they taste what we've got. Ow, ow.